How to use Google Gemini from your iPhone lock screen. Google's update lets you chat with Gemini AI directly from your iPhone's lock screen without unlocking your phone. The setup process takes just a few minutes, and you'll need to have the latest Gemini app installed on your iPhone running iOS 16 or later. Once configured, you'll be able to chat with Gemini, set reminders, analyze images, and more, all without unlocking your device. Add Google Gemini widgets by customizing your lock screen and selecting from 6 options like Type Prompt, Voice Commands, and Quick Actions. The lock screen update enhances Gemini's accessibility. Start conversations without unlocking your phone. Use voice commands for reminders, events, or questions, and type questions directly for instant answers. Analyze photos and control smart devices via voice. This significant update integrates with iOS 18's Control Center, expanding interaction with Gemini's AI capabilities, making AI more accessible daily. Getting started. To use these features, make sure you have the latest version of the Gemini app installed, iOS 16 or later on your iPhone, and a Google account signed in. Troubleshooting tips. Widgets not appearing? Make sure you've opened the Gemini app at least once after installation. Can't find Gemini in widget list? Force close Settings app and reopen it. Ensure microphone permissions for Gemini are enabled. If widget is unresponsive, remove and re-add. Some functions may need unlocking for security. Ready to get started? Now that you've got the setup instructions and know all the capabilities, it's time to transform your lock screen into an AI command center. Download or update your Gemini app and give these widgets a try.